Let's open our EasyT file. Let's check the subtitles.
What do you want?
Have you seen this one?
Looks like we have a few subtitles that shouldn't be here. They might be holdovers from another version of the video. For example, perhaps a line was omitted between cuts, so we need to remove these subtitles. The shortcut to delete the currently selected subtitle is Ctrl-Alt-Backspace. It's such an important shortcut that it has its own lesson. Let's select the subtitle to be deleted. Ctrl-Alt-Backspace. That's it. This one too. Your job is to watch the video and delete any subtitles that shouldn't be there. Remember that undo is your friend.